let's see if we've got a nice sizzle. Well, listen to that. Hi there guys, welcome to our channel and thank you very much for taking your time to join us tonight. Well, as you can see, we're at our caravan and we are so pleased that it's caravan season. We've been waiting all winter to get back here and we are so pleased that we are. And tonight we plan on cooking a couple nice big steaks in the pizza oven. So let's take a look in here and see how the flames are doing. That's pretty much perfect. So it won't be long before we get the steaks cooking in there. But for the time being and for the rest of the evening, we plan on enjoying some time and a few beers under here. I'm with my wife Claire.
Hello.
Claire's already enjoying a beer.
Yeah.
And we're just going to enjoy some time under the gazebo, sitting in front of the fire. And what is it, 3rd of March? No, it's 8th of March. So yeah, we're just going to sit in front of the fire and have a little look over here. And this little spot here, down here, in front of the stream, that's the place where we sit and find reflection and connection. Let's have a little look up at the moon. There we go. I don't know how well the camera's picking that up, but it's just so good to be back, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
And this is what we do when we're not out in the woods and we're not wild camping. It's just so good to be outdoors. So what we'll do just now, we'll just sit by the fire and we'll bring you back when we're ready to put them nice tasty steaks in the pizza oven. Well, I think it's time to get these steaks in. The pan's been in the pizza oven for a while now, so let's see if we've got a nice sizzle. Well, listen to that.
Yeah.
How amazing does that sound?
Amazing.
Right, we'll get them back in there. They sound fantastic. And what we'll do, we'll just allow them steaks to cook. That sound to the smell already smells absolutely fantastic. We'll bring you back along when the steaks are somewhere near. Well, I think these steaks are looking absolutely fantastic, and I think what we're going to do now is take them out and let them rest, and we've got some asparagus and we'll put the asparagus in this pan and let it cook in the juices from the steak. That's just a little bit of wild garlic butter that we've put into the asparagus. The asparagus is cooked lovely, but we're just going to get it tossed into that wild garlic butter. Right, that's our meal dished up, and that looks absolutely fantastic. That is a right feast. We've got the asparagus there. We'll put the pan to one side. And I think what we'll do is put a little bit of that wild garlic butter just on top of the steaks, just as a treat since it's a weekend. There we go. Now, how amazing does that look? That looks like a feast to behold, doesn't it? So we're going to sit back now in front of the fire and just enjoy some quality time and enjoy a tasty meal and a few beers outdoors. Right, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, and as always,
Stay safe.
and see you on the next one. Them potatoes are really nice, aren't they?